So nice. Look at it. I'm just loving this outfit. Yes. This Yam had activities and festivities. The chair and its problem. I want to believe one then come down here and walk some kind of OBM. I don't, but to how I feeling now, I could a big one, okay, a big fat one. To how stressed out I am. Been in Jamaica for 5 days and he have not called me once. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, okay? And guys, before we start this vlog, I just want to shout out Jewelry She for sponsoring this video. They sent me a lot of cute stuff, okay, to show you guys. Such nice things, all right? So don't forget to like the video as well, all right? I want you guys to tell me how everything look. And also in the description box, there's going to be a code that you can use to get some coins off of your order. Okay, y'all? So this video is about to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the first outfit, okay? This is a dress, and guys, I love this color. I don't even think I own anything green. Oh, wait. Yes, I do. I believe I do. But check out this dress. It is so nice. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I love this dress so much, guys. Check out the color. I think this color looks really nice on me. Okay, so yeah. And like I said, the size is going to be in the description box below. Yes, guys, this is a new trend that's out. These like bubbly looking texture, and I'm loving it. Cute. Guys, I just love this. This is something I could wear on date night or just, you know, any kind of night with some heels. I think I might wear these with some white heels and like a white bag or whatever. I think that would look good with it. Or maybe orange. What do y'all think about orange? I don't know. But yeah, I'm really loving this dress. Fits me very nice. And I love this like strap up thing here to the sides. That's very nice. So guys, this is the next dress, okay? This is like a Christian Dior inspired type of dress. Oh my god, I love this dress so much. Look at it. It's like a short dress. Look at this dress. I really love it. It looks so sexy, guys. And for those that don't know Livy, me, I love sexy things. I love sexy clothes. I've been like this from small, from junior high. I never been a conservative type of dresser. I just love tight things. I love stuff that looks sexy and nice, and yeah, I love this dress. Tell me what you think. So guys, this is the next outfit. Oh my god. I love this outfit so much. Like, I love how it fits and it don't feel tight. It's stretchy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's a long pants. It go all the way down. This is so nice and it's sexy too. I could wear this like different places. I could wear this to go to the gym. I could wear this to travel. I could wear this to go out with some sneakers, sandals. This is nice. I really love this. And what's up? It looks sexy. This is cute. And guys, this is a medium, but like I said, in the description box, I'm gonna have all the sizes for everything I have on in this video. Okay? But yeah, I love this two-piece pant set. It's really nice. It's cute. this is the next one, and I will be wearing this to the beach tomorrow. I love it so much. It's like another inspired LB pattern or whatever, and I am just loving this. I am loving the quality and everything. Jewelry shade, you're gonna have bad. So guys, this is our next Christian Dior, but unfortunately for me, the bottoms are too small. I should have went up a size, but I'm gonna find somebody to give this to. But this is cute nonetheless. It is cute. All right, so yeah. So hey guys, this is the next outfit, but this top is the pants for it, but unfortunately these pants are too small. They can't got my fat ass legs, so I'm gonna have to give this to someone. But look at that. This how it goes. This is it. So yeah, it's cute. So guys, here is the next outfit, and it's like a short pants, and this is Fendi with a Y, okay, but it's so cute. Okay, so yeah, it's so comfy guys, and it's stretchy. It looks tight, but it's stretchy. Okay, and I love this. I just love how it fits. It feels comfortable or whatever. This is the back. Yeah, it's nice. I love it. I could wear this to go to traveling. I could wear this to go to the mall. I could wear this to even exercise, okay? I'm really loving this, and I'm loving how it fit me. I love it how it feel on me. Jewelry, yes, jewelry. You sent me some really nice stuff. I'm really loving this, like all jokes aside. I don't care if you have the white to the end, okay? I'm gonna wrap this, all right? So, yeah. Cute, guys. This is the next one. And it is so cute. I love the print and everything. It's long pants. And this is the back. I just love it. It's nice, okay? And it's stretchy. That's one thing I love about the material with jewelry clothes. Is very stretchy and the stuff feel breathable. I just love it. This is cute, okay? I don't care if it's a Christian Dior. I am rocking it same way. I am loving this outfit. And guys, the top don't come like this. It's just a regular shirt. But being me, I just tie it up and I put it like that. Like I just put a rubber band and fold it in like so. Just like that. Put the rubber band there and I fold it in like that. And so yeah. So guys, this is the next one. This is a jumpsuit, and this one is really cute too. You can wear this to like travel or anything like that. So yeah, I really love this one. It's very cute, and it's also like comfortable. Like the material is really nice. It's comfortable. I think I'm gonna wear this with a pair of white sneakers, since it has like this white line here, and I really love that. So that's what I'm gonna wear it with, a pair of white sneakers. So guys, this is the last outfit in this try-on haul. And guys, this is a two-piece jogger set, and oh my god, I love it so much. I love the color brown. That's one of my favorite colors. And I'm loving how it look on my skin tone right now. So yeah guys, this is it. It's long, like I say, it's a jogger set, and I am just loving this outfit. Yes, I'm loving it. This is our next airport fit. Okay guys, so you're gonna see me and somebody airport in this outfit, just walking through my carry-on, okay, because Guys, we love to go on plane, okay? Alright. So, yes, I'm loving this. I love it so much. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this haul. Please let me know down below what was your favorite outfit, what was your least favorite outfit, or whatever. And remember, guys, all the sizes are going to be in the description box below. And I will also have a code so you can get some money off of your order. Okay? Thank you, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. Guys, it is almost 3 o'clock in the morning right now. Okay? And I just got up and I made my bed. And as you can see, my bed is empty. It's just me at 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, guys. I want y'all to guess where I'm going. Guess where I'm going. I'm going to the airport. And guys, I want y'all to guess where I'm going to. I give y'all 5 seconds. Yes, I'm going to Jamaica, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I am going to Jamaica. And guys, I'm about to tell you my business, okay? Let me tell you my business. But first, like that video. Like that video before I tell y'all my business. I'm about to start telling you my business for real, for real. But anyways, guys, as you can see, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and my bed is empty. Yep. Wandan is vexed with me and I am vexed with him. And we just vex with each other, okay, guys? So he decided he went to Jamaica and he left me alone in my bed by myself because we vex with each other or whatever the case is. But guess what? Levy is hopping on a plane and I am going to Jamaica, okay? And I'm going to spy on my man. So anyways, guys, like I said, I am about to leave in a little bit and I'm going to Jamaica, and Wanda do not know that I am coming or whatever the case is. Yes, I'm about to go see what the F he doing over there. Okay, y'all? So yeah, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. And I want you guys to journey with me and come along. Okay, y'all? First of all, I want to know, does anybody know how Jamaica jail is? Like, how is jail in Jamaica? I want to know. Is it bad? Is fun? I just want to know, okay? Because, like I say, I'm going to Jamaica, and he do not have no idea or clue that I am on my way. Okay, guys? So, yeah. Hopefully, I don't see nothing that send me in jail or whatever the case is. I don't know, y'all. So like I said, he doesn't know. Guys, I'm planning to maybe take the Knutsford Express or whatever. That's what I've been seeing, to go where he's at or where he say he at or where he's supposed to be at. I don't know. But guys, y'all about to come along with me and I'm gonna tell y'all every single thing. I am not leaving y'all out. Okay, I point at you in our business. Okay, y'all going to know what's going on or whatever the case is. So yeah, guys, it's a last minute thing. I don't even have a suitcase or a carry-on. I'm just going with a bag, and that is it. Okay, let me show you the bag I'm going with. So yeah, guys, this is the bag that I am going with, and that's it. I have no suitcase, no carry-on, no, none of that, just a bag. This is the outfit that I am going to be wearing to the airport. So I was planning to wear it with these shoes. I don't know. What you guys think? Or maybe these, and guys, I never wear these shoes, never, so that's why they are on the bed. Or maybe these shoes, nah, it don't match. That's doing too much. That's doing too much. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with these ones. So anyways, guys, I am about to go put on my clothes to go unstock my man, okay, y'all? So when I get ready and I finish dressing, I will be back, all right? And guys, be honest, am I yam head? Is this yam head activities and festivities? Be honest, tell me in the comments. So yes, guys, I am on my way to go to the airport. So yeah. So guys, here I am. And guys, I'm by myself. Look in the car. There's nobody here. Y'all think I'm joking. I am not joking, okay? Anyways, I'm about to go find a parking. So when I do, I'll be right back. So guys, I just reached the airport and I just parked. So guys, I just went through security check and I'm about to put on my shoes right now. And guys, yes, I did change my clothes. I'm gonna explain to y'all about it later. So stay tuned. So guys, look, it's still dark outside. So hi everybody, I just reached and right now I'm just sitting down until it is time to board. I am so sleepy or whatever, and also like kind of nervous that I'm doing this. I've never done this before. Am I crazy? Let me know if I'm crazy. But anyways, I have on my mask still because there's somebody that's coughing or whatever, so yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in there. So anyways, guys, I reach here and it's problem because the bus gone. So is it safe to like ask somebody for a ride? So hey guys, first of all, I have so much to talk to y'all about, okay? Like I just tell y'all in the last clip, the plan was for me to go on Knutsford Express. Got there, the bus gone. Ain't there, ain't coming back. I don't know. Whatever the case is. I had calling Danzel or Wandan, whatever y'all call him. Calling his phone. No answer. Okay, this mother's is not answering my phone, and if you see how I look stressed. So what I end up doing was getting a taxi bus to drop me to Ocho Rios, and he only charging me $450, which I think that's a good deal because he said it was $600, but he said for me he gonna charge me $450. So guys, right now I'm stressed out. Look, my driver there, I'm not gonna really show him. You saw a little piece of him, but yeah, and I feel safe with him. He been really like cool and stuff. He said he gonna stop and get me some fruits and canap and mango. I tell him I wanted mango, so he said cool, he gonna stop and get me that. But yeah guys, like I'm like pissed. Like why you not answering your phone? First of all, I call you about 30 times, okay, and no pickup. Right now, honestly guys, I don't even feel like going Ocho Rios. I feel like going somewhere like Kingston right now or somewhere and just don't even bother study here. I don't know nothing or nobody in Kingston, nothing. I always wanted to go down that area because I've never been there, but I might just make this a little vacation for myself. I don't know, we'll see. But then I really want to pop up on his ass and see why he's not answering my phone and what he doing, okay? So yeah guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and just cruise. I think it's about like almost a 2-hour drive, I believe, or whatever. And what I like with the taxi driver here, I'm going to tip him really nice because he drives like very safe. He's like, it's like no speeding, and like he very cautious and stuff, and I like that, or whatever the case is. But yeah guys, so I want to believe one then come down here and walk some kind of Obiami. What are you think? Because ain't no way. Right now I'm going crazy. Look at me. I look crazy. Guys, I leave way from America to come way to Jamaica to go look man. Okay, to go run behind a man. And the man ain't answer my phone. Cows. I have to be Obia because that's you think that's love? Yes, I love my man, but I don't know. I'm just confused right now, and I feel a little hurt. I was like, I don't want to think the worst. You understand? I don't want to think the worst. I don't know. Is this being a yamhead? Guys, don't call me yamhead living, you know. I just love my man and I miss him and I want to make things right. I want to be the bigger person. Okay, for once. Okay, guys. So, yeah, we're just here. So, anyways, guys, when we reach, I'm going to pick up back the camera. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG.
So guys, we just stopped at Trelawney so I could get some fruits or whatever. They have somebody selling mango and kennep out there, so that's what I'm going to get. And guys, I am going to give y'all my taxi driver information. He's very good, and for $450 US to take you from Montego Bay Airport to Ocho Rios, I feel like that's a good deal. And plus he give me a discount because his normal rate is $600 US. So guys, I'll leave all his info in the description box below. But guys, I am so tired. Like, look at me, I don't even look like myself. I have bags under my eyes. I'm stressed out, I'm depressed. So after I eat these fruits, I'm going to take a little nap, a little rest until we reach Ocho Rios. So yeah guys, I just woke up from taking the nap. I probably sleep for like a good 30 minutes or whatever the case is. The taxi man just went out. He sees some coconut selling on the road. He wanted some jelly, so he went and bought one. Hopefully, he asked me if I wanted one, but I tell you no, that's fine. And he said he's gonna get me something to calm down my nerves. Okay, whatever. I don't. But to how I feeling now, I could a big one. Okay, a big fat one. To how stressed out I am right now. You see how I look like I'm a crazy woman. So yeah guys, yeah, that's it. We still haven't reached or whatever. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, my driver bring me a jelly. I told him I didn't want one, but that's okay. That was so sweet of him. Guys, this man is really, really sweet or whatever. So yeah guys, I'm about to go drink this. So hey guys, me and the taxi driver, we just stopped at this jerky chicken place, and he told me he wanted to buy me lunch before he dropped me off. He said the food is really good. So yeah, and I'm glad he offered because I'm starving. And I'll show you what the food looks like when I get it. So hey guys, I have so much to tell y'all, okay? First off, when I went to the house where he's supposed to be staying by, he was nowhere to be found. He was not there. And I called his phone, I called his phone, I called his phone. He didn't answer. For somebody supposed to be my so-called boyfriend or my so-called fiance, why you not answering my calls? But anyways, I left it alone. My taxi driver told me, he said, you know what? Why you don't go out tonight? You want to go out with me tonight? So I was like, fine. He invited me out to a dance that I guess where he lives or whatever they was having. So I say, you know what? I am not about to sit in this Airbnb and be stressed out over no man who's not paying me any attention. And I went out to the party with my taxi driver and I had a good time. Oh my God. It was so nice. Okay, I even forgot about him. But yeah, guys, also tomorrow, it depends if I could wake up. My taxi driver invited me to go to the river. So maybe I'll be doing that. So I might vlog that. So just stay tuned, okay, guys? And this is the outfit that I wear. Let me show you. This is it. This is the outfit. It's a really cute. I unbuttoned the top is long so I can't show too much. But anyways, guys, good night. I'm about to go wash my face and try to get some sleep. Thank you guys for watching. So hey guys, welcome back. And guys, today is a brand new day, okay? And I feel so good. Right now I am just waiting for the taxi driver to come and pick me up. Like I told you guys last night, he invited me to go to the river and he told me like I will really like it. I don't know the name of it. He didn't tell me the name of the river, but he told me it's really nice and I'm gonna enjoy myself. So yeah, but guys, I have so much to tell y'all, okay? Let me tell you what happened like an hour ago, right? So the sister happened to text me, Dan, whatever y'all want to call him. She texted me and she was like, hey Livy, what's up girl, how you doing? You know, she always texts me and asks me how I doing and call me or whatever. So I just pick up the phone and I call her and I tell her, hey girl, yeah, I'm in Jamaica. And she was like, what? Livy, you there in Jamaica for real? And I was like, yes girl. And I don't know if he happened to be around the sister or the sister probably called him and tell him, I don't know. Next thing you know, guys, let me tell y'all, I just see my phone ringing. Guess who calling me? Mr. Man, Dan, calling my phone. Okay, ringing up my phone. Every time he call me, decline, 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 ignore. Okay, I ain't answering his calls. You mean to tell me, guys, I haven't talked to this man in 5 days. He been in Jamaica for 5 days and he have not called me once. Okay, and you mean to tell me now that you hear that I am in Jamaica, you about to call my phone? No honey, it don't work like so, baby. It do not work like so. When I reach here, guys, I call this man 32 times, right? And he never answered none of the calls. In order for me to answer his call, he is going to call me the same amount of times I call him or more. Okay, so guys, I'm going to have at least 33 missed calls from him for me to answer my phone, or else I am not answering my phone. Okay guys, let me tell you, I just wake up in such a better mood. I feel so much better. Like I'm not sad, I ain't depressed. Like I try to be the bigger person. That's why sometimes I don't like being the bigger person, because look what it got you. I try to be the bigger person. Come here, call you, no answer. You ignore me. You ignore me. Well, honey, too quick to that game. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for listening to my drama and my dilemma and all of the craziness I have going on. You know, sometimes, guys, I just need somebody to talk to, and like, this is therapy. Like, me vlogging all of this is just therapy. Like, I feel so much better. Like, I let everything off my chest. You understand? Because like, we're not perfect. No relationship is perfect, and I want y'all to always know that. Do not believe social media. Do you understand me? But we're good. It's not like nothing serious, you know, but we good. But I know when we get back talking together, because we are, I am not gonna even tell him like I vlogged this whole situation. I vlog. Nope. I'm just gonna edit the video and upload it, because I know if I tell him that I vlogged, he's not gonna want me to post the video. So I'm just going to post it. But yeah, guys, so far, like, I'm loving Jamaica. I'm going to enjoy myself today. Alright, I enjoyed myself last night because, like I said, the taxi driver, he took me out to a party, and now we're going to the river. Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for loving me, for watching me, and hearing me vent, hearing all my problems and my dilemma and drama. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. And guys, if you would like to see me like do more vlogs and stuff like this, let me know. Comment down below. Tell me how you like it. Alright, see you later.